Okay, students. So here exercise 4A. We will solve question number 14. Yes. In this question of 14, all of you see here, question number 14 will start today. And in this question number 14, try to understand, write the following in descending order. We will write down according to the descending order. But all the questions जो भी आपका numbers दे रखा है, integers दे रखा है, that is in different form. I know many of the students will be confused, but not confused. Very easy question. Just I am writing here. Try to understand. Minus 32 minus का 68 and mod minus 75 mod 80 and minus 52. This is your question. Now all of you see here properly. Actually ये क्वेश्चन अगर मुझे भी दोगे तो मैं भी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाऊंगा. When until we will not solve second part. What is the second part? Let's see. Now anyone know what is the value of minus 32? Yeah, we can solve further. Minus 32 को further solve कर सकते हैं क्या? No. We will write down minus 32 only. But this expression we can solve further. How? Minus we know plus. Always remember minus multiply with minus, that is plus. So we can write down 68. Okay. Minus 68 is equals to plus 68. Now come here. What is the value of mod minus 75? So we can say mod minus 75. Yeah, absolute value of minus 75 is equals to 75 only. How many? 70. Okay. Now what is the value of mod 80? All of you know what is the value of mod 80? That is 80 only. Done. Now what is the value of minus mod 52? Minus 52, because ये जो माइनस है ना, ये माइनस आपका बाहर है. That's why it will not affect in 52. If your question says minus mod minus 52, in that case we can say sir answer will be 52. But ये माइनस है ना, ये बाहर है. So that's why it will not affect in this expression. Okay. Now all of you see here. Tell me what is the greatest value. What is the, okay, in this question says क्या बोल रखा है? Descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Correct. So we can say what is the biggest value? 80. 80 is the biggest value. But इसका original value क्या दे रखा है? What is the original value of 80? This is mod 80. So this one you have to write down in this answer. Okay. So I'm writing here according to the descending order, mod 80 is the biggest value. Mod 80 is the biggest value. Now come here 75. So what is the original value? This is mod minus 75. Sorry. Write down mod minus 75. Now come here. Next we can say 68. So 68. What is the original value of 68? This one. Minus ka 68. Then now students see here. What is the next smallest value? We can say minus 32. So write down original value, that also same, minus ka 32. Now last one, that is minus ka 52. Write down here minus mod 52. That is your complete answer. That means we can say, students, all of you see here properly, whatever your absolute value is there, absolute या whatever value is there, first of all I have to solve one step. उसको पहले अच्छे से solve कर लो. And after that you have to check which is greater number, which is smaller number, and all the values you have to write down according to the descending order. ठीक है? According to the descending order write down. But इस तरीके से नहीं लिखना है like 80 write down, 75, 68. No, जो आपका original value है उस चीज को लिखना है. Understood? Yes, students. How it is possible, Chetna? Just check your network. My network is fully come. It is visible only properly. Okay. Very good. Now we will move. We will take another question. So I think our concept will be more clear. Correct? So let's see. Second question. Mod 48 minus 47 minus 52 minus minus 28 mod minus 50. These are the questions. These are the questions and we have to solve further first of all. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होता है? We have to solve like whatever your minus is there. We have to first of all plus do like whatever thing is there. How see? What is the absolute value of 48? How many students? What is the absolute value of 48? Niharika, what is the absolute value of 48? 48 only. See. Now what is the value of minus 47? Only minus 47. यहाँ पे तो mod है ही नहीं. So write down minus 47 only. Now what is the value of minus minus 52? What is the value of minus minus? Try to understand. ये जो बाहर वाला minus है write down as it is. And what is the value of this one? This is plus का 52. So write down here plus. अब बोलोगे sir plus why not written? Why not written plus? Because plus minus minus. That's why. Now see here minus minus multiply minus minus plus. So plus का 28. And at last this is mod minus 50. And we know what is the value of mod minus 50? 50 only, because this is a machine. This is the machine. In this machine, if I put any values, can always give result 50. Understood? Okay. Now we have to solve according to the descending order. अब descending order में कैसे करना होता है? Yes, students. Descending order means greater to bigger. Sorry, greater to bigger के greater और bigger same ही होता है. Greatest to smallest number. Okay. So what is the biggest number? What is the greatest number? We can say 50. So original value write down this one. So write down here according to the descending order. According to the descending order, the answer will be minus ka 50. Now next one 48. So this one 48. Next 28 minus ka minus 28. Next 40 minus 47 minus 47. Next 52 original value minus minus mod 52. So that is your complete answer. ये आपका fully complete answer है. Okay, understood all of you? Very easy questions. Okay, descending order that is completed. Now we will solve next similar question. First of all, check it out properly this question. Okay, now similar question we have to solve ascending order. Means this step to obviously same, but इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Smaller to bigger we have to write down. Okay, whatever smallest number is there, first of all write down, then bigger than bigger than bigger, like this you have to. Okay, so let's see question number 14. Question number 14 or 15? 15 is there. Okay, so only one part I will do and remaining part you have to solve yourself, na? Just one time, late student coming today also. Okay, Ishan Sharma today very late. Question of 15, first part, mod minus 18 minus 64 minus mod 13 minus of minus 46 and minus of minus 58. That is your question. Now students, all of you see a very simple question according to the ascending order. Now students, we have to write down all the numbers according to the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. छोटे से बड़े number लिखना. Okay, now see. First of all, I have to solve this one. How? Like this. Mod minus 18, 18 only. What is the value of mod minus 18? Minus 18, no? Plus 18, plus 18 only. Now minus 64 to minus 64 only. This is minus 13 because minus in outside. अगर mod के बाहर minus होगा तो वो तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Next, minus minus plus 46. And this one, अब इसमें confuse नहीं हो जाना. Because this one and this one not same. Where? This one and this one not same. We can say minus, write down first of all. And what is the value of minus 58? plus का 58. Now students, these all the integers we have to write down according to the ascending order. So write down according to the ascending order. Okay, according to the ascending order we have to write down. See all of you, very simple. सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? Yes, anyone? What is the smallest number? Out of this, what is the smallest number? Tell me now. Give your answer. Yes, all of you, give your answer fast. So first of all, write down all of you minus का 64. This is the smallest number. But what is the actual? Yes, that is correct. Now what is next? Next smallest number? मतलब next bigger number. We can say this one minus का 58. That means this one write down. This one. So write down minus mod minus का 58. Done. Now students, next one. Next one, tell me minus 13. That means minus mod 13. Done. Okay. Now students, see here minus 13. Okay. Now 18 is there. Yes. This much. Mod minus ka 18. And at last, this is remaining 46. So write down this one minus 46. So that is your complete answer. We can say this one is increasing order. This one is increasing order. Increase होते जा रहा है. Okay, understood all of you? Yes or no? Yes, Anshika, Anu, Niharika, and other two students. All of you on off your camera. तो आपसे तो बात ही नहीं करना है. जिसका कैमरा ऑन है मैं उनसे ही बात करूंगा आपसे. Okay. Okay, students. Now we will move next question. Let's see. Now, question number 13 and question number 14 done. Now, question number 16 is there. Now, in this question number 16, what we have to do? In question number 16, we have to solve the following expression. One word is there. आप लोग क्या करते हो? Question देख के घबरा जाते हो. Sir, ये question हमने solve किया. Obviously, आप solve ही करते हो. आपको आता भी है. But in exam time, you are thinking, sir, how this question we have to solve? Because आप लोग heading ही नहीं पढ़ते हो. What is the heading of the question? Heading is given in this question. Question number 16, evaluate. Evaluate means nothing, very easy thing. Evaluate means find, solve, है ना? Same thing. Evaluate means जो होता है same, solve, same, find. Now what I have to find out? Let's see. In front of you, question is there. Very simple question. Mod minus का 5 plus 3 and mod also. Now see how we will solve the question. Actually, we know all of you what is the value of mod minus 5, and I know in my class all of you know. अगर आप मेरा क्लास ले रहे हो डेली फर्स्ट दिन से, so obviously इसका आंसर सबको ही पता है. What is the value of mod minus 5? 5 only. And what is the value of mod 3? That is 3. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Done. Okay. Now, second question. Second question, that is mod minus 7 multiply mod minus 2. Okay. So what is the value of mod minus 7? That is 7 only. And what is the value of mod minus 2? That is 2. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 14. 7 minus 2 is equals to 14. Very, very simple question. Next question. Okay, this is the last question. उसका आगे आप solve करोगे. 17 mod minus 15. Now try to understand. This is a very simple question. Again, 17 mod. What is the value of 17 mod? That is 17 only. Yes. Minus sign obviously you have to give. And what is the value of? देखो इस चीज को देखो, है ना? This one. What is the value of mod minus 15? That is ये इरेज ही हो गया. Okay. What is the value of mod minus 15? That is 15 only. How many? 15 is there. So we can say answer will be 17 minus 5, that is 2. Actually, I know many of the students, आप लोग क्या करते हो, कभी कभी कंफ्यूज होते हो. This is the sign, sir. This is what sign? This is mod only. This is not any bracket. Bracket तो हमें पता ही है. Bracket, this is your bracket. We know this is another bracket, curly bracket. This is another bracket. This is not bracket. This is mod only. Okay. ठीक है. So I hope till question number 16, no issue there. Very simple question. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, very good. अब बात सुन लो. 16 question completed. Now 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, like this, all the questions are very easy. And obviously, in your MCQ questions, like that type of question only come. So you have to practice that type of questions, not a single question is very hard. और मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत और चीज बता देता हूँ किस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस और आने वाले है ना. एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस मतलब मान के चलो किस टाइप का और आने वाले. लेट्स चेक इट हियर ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज टुमारो टेस्ट. सो मुझे यहाँ पे 72 पार्टिसिपेंट दिख रहा है. 72 या भी रहना चाहिए. मैं दे समटाइम्स आई एम सीइंग आप लोग कभी कभी लास्ट में आप पहले चल जाते हो क्लास खत्म होने के पहले. सो ऑल ऑफ यू 73 पार्टिसिपेंट हैव टू स्टे हियर ओनली. स्टिल क्लास विल नॉट कंप्लीटेड. Okay. So 2-3 more topic. Suppose 1 plus 2 minus 3 is there. This type of simple question. This is the very easy. We know 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3, that is 0. This is very simple. I will take a hard question. Suppose minus 6 and minus 5 is there. Minus 6 and minus 5. And if I say find out what is the answer of this question. Now you say, sir, I don't know. So this question, abhi tak hua nahi. But this is really very easy question. How? When both number are in minus, then minus minus, tell me what is the value of minus minus plus. Yes, minus minus plus is there. So we can say 6 or 5 का addition कर डाल. What is the value of 6 plus 5? That is 11. And before bigger number जो भी साइन होता है ना वो साइन लगा दो बस. That is the correct answer. Again I am telling you. First of all, minus minus plus, whatever your number will be there, that should be added. 6 plus 5, 11. And before bigger number, जो sign होगा वही sign लगा. That is minus 11. Done. Okay. Now I will tell you another question. Let's see. कौन मुझे आंसर दे पाएगा फास्ट. चलो मैं एक क्वेश्चन और बता देता हूँ उसके बाद मैं पूछूंगा. ठीक है ना. Suppose minus 11 plus 5 is there. Minus 11 plus 5. So first of all, minus plus what? Minus plus minus is there. Correct? Okay. Now 11 minus 5, जो bigger number होता है उसमें smaller number minus करो. 11 minus 5, 6. And before bigger number we sign minus. That's why your answer will be minus 6. Okay, done. Now I will give you one question. You have to solve and tell me what is the correct answer. ठीक है? See here. Minus 2 and minus 3. Tell me what is the answer. Minus 5 plus 2. Tell me what is the answer. 3 minus ka 6. Tell me what is the answer. Tell me fast. 3 question in front of you. Tell me what is the correct answer. So students, minus minus we know, plus will be there. And 3 or 2, if we add them, then 5 will come. And before bigger number, minus sign, that's why minus ka 5. Done. Answer come. So I think all of your answer is correct. Now see, minus 5 plus 2. So minus plus, minus plus, minus. Bigger number minus smaller number. 5 minus 2, 3. And before bigger number, minus sign. That's why minus ka 3. Done. Now next question. 3 minus 6. Again, before 3, anyone know? Which sign is there? Plus sign is there. Yes. So plus minus, minus. 6 minus 3, that should be 3. Before bigger number, minus sign. So that is your complete answer. इसी वे में आपको सॉल्व करना है. अगर कल इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ जाए, so सबको आंसर सही होना चाहिए. Now I will tell you another question. See here, very good question. This is a MCQ question only. Okay, all of you see here. Be focused here only. 10 minus 4 divided by 10 minus 4 and here minus ka 3. Now all of you see here properly. First of all, what is the value of 10 minus 4? what is the value of 10 minus 4? That is 6. Divide. And what is the value of mod minus 3? 3 only. Write down 3. And what is the value of mod 6? That is 6 only. And 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Done. See. Very easy question. Again I am telling you, 10 minus 4, write down here. Mod minus 3, write down here. What is the value of mod 6? 6 only. 3, write down as it is. And 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Done. Okay. No issue. Very easy question. Yes, students. Now tell me, students, what is the answer of this question? बताना मुझे, ठीक है ना? The predecessor of mod minus 1 is what? Yes, students, all of you tell me, what is the answer of this question? Okay, many of the students already given answer. Very good. First of all, what is the value of mod minus 1? What is the value of mod minus 1? 1 only. Now we will find out the predecessor. And we know when we will find out the predecessor of any number, then given number minus 1, and that should be 0. है ना? First of all, I have to find out what is the value of mod minus 1, that is 1. Because we know अगर mod के बीच में कोई भी number होगा तो positive result देगा. And 1 minus 1, that should be 0. So that's why we can say 0 is the predecessor of this given number. Okay, understood? Now it is all the question you have to practice properly. Understood? Okay.